Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Viltrox DCX2 monitor, a budget-friendly options for filmmakers and content creators. But does it hold up the competitions? Let's find out.